In the last video, we have built our first ERC token with Kode Sherpa. It worked, but it was just the foundation. In this episode, we will make it smarter. We will rename the contract, add minting, introduce a pause mechanism, and give it an extendable max supply. You will see how to alternate between manual coding and AI assistance, keeping control while letting Sherpa handle the repetitive parts. I will start with something simple but common: renaming the contract. Instead of manually changing every occurrence, I'll let Sherpa handle it. So I will write rename the contract to Astra token and update the constructor, comments, and symbol accordingly. Sherpa will automatically update the name, symbol, and references clean and consistent. This is the kind of repetitive work where AI saves time and avoids small copy-paste errors. Now, let's add a mint function ourselves. Right now, all tokens are created in the constructor, so the supply can never change. By adding a mint function restricted to the owner, we can issue more tokens later if needed. I will paste a piece of code here. This gives the contract flexibility. The owner can mint, but everyone else is blocked. It's also a good example of a low-risk manual edit, short, easy to review, and transparent. Next, we will make the token pausable, a useful control when something goes wrong or during maintenance. Instead of digging through documentation, I will ask Sherpa to do it. So I will write, make the token pausable using OpenZeppelin's ERC pausable. Owner can pause and unpause transfers. Sherpa imports the right module, extends the contract, adds the pause and pause functions, and even inserts the required update override for OpenZeppelin v5 compatibility. Now the owner can freeze all transfers instantly if needed. Now let's finish with a feature that touches the token's economics, something you definitely want to handle manually. We'll introduce a max supply variable that limits how many tokens can ever exist, but still lets the owner increase that cap later if the project grows. So here we define the max supply, let the owner extend it through increase max supply, and enforce the cap in mint. So far we have renamed the contract with AI, added mint manually, used Sherpa to make it possible, added a manual max supply check. You could have done all of this by simply asking Sherpa, but doing some steps manually helps you understand exactly what happens. That's how you evolve your contract, half code editor, half AI partner. Sherpa doesn't replace your judgment, it speeds up the parts you don't want to waste time on. Try it yourself. Log in at codesherpa.tech, open your ERC20 token, and experiment with these changes. And don't forget to subscribe. Next time we will take this token to deployment.